Today we will see the limits and what our AI tool can create or can help in our daily, and especially in coding. Even if you are not a coder or you don't have the idea to code, it will help a lot to create your idea. So first of all, let's see what are the benefits of it. So first, you have multi-models. You can, for example, you can start a chat with this model or this expensive model, and then you continue with other models because they are really free or lower cost. Okay, this is first thing. Second thing, if you your next message will be more than $0.2, for example, it will show you the cost here. It will show you the cost in here, and it will say the next message is like this. So to make you more comfortable that you are not spending a lot from the balance you have, here the balances you can see in here the balance you have and the tokens used in this session, and the left session tokens in here. Absolutely, you can upgrade if you want on time, and please make sure you should know that you can refer friends. For example, this one is for 5 RP only, refer a point yani. So this you can upgrade by seeing this, and you can invite from here, and you have a dashboard, and this is programming. This is what we start now. So we'll start. First example is doing normal thing, which is HTML email. Okay, so I will say hi and see. Okay, it's very fast. For example, if I go to ChatGPT, I will say hi again or anything. Sorry, it's mistyped. So he will think a lot because he's smart. He think before he answer, and he answer according to a lot of situations, and he calculate a lot of things. So even what I'm thinking, he's thinking what about that, how to start. Okay, so for example, Grok is fast. This is so expensive, but it's really useful for complex things. Let's go back to the fast models, and this one is free. So let us say let us create another chat. Okay, let us say hi, create me an email at for ai.brimind.pro. Even your tests should be in the way you are doing or in your direction. So let us say, I don't know, I will do picture. This one don't accept pictures. I'll just add to him, blah 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 blah. Okay, it's responding so fast and explaining a lot. Okay, I will not read it in front of you. I will go to the other one. It's accepting pictures. I will do picture for him. Command V, and I will tell him, okay, this is the platform. I don't know, and I will say this is the link. This is the platform. Please do more accurate ideas, phrases. I will do for this open new, and I will do screenshot, and I will paste it. Of course, you can choose pictures and things from here. Okay, just in here we are creating his memory. So we are saying to him, this is the picture. He will take from the pictures the idea he needs or the or the details he needs. All details he needs. Okay, good. I may go for Brimind.pro, and I go to footer. Okay, there is no there is no informations to do screenshot. No problem. So next, what I will tell him, this email, blah blah, dear recipient, create, make it a HTML email. Perfect, attractive, motivate user to be one in the community. I don't know. Even if I misclick, it help a lot. Yeah. Okay, it's doing HTML. These fast models can do mistakes. So, for example, he do not show the email HTML. Okay, sometimes, but this time he did perfectly. So superior coding with AI Brimind, the ultimate AI code assistant. Dear recipient, this can be replaced if you have a system that do that. Send emails, sign up كذا كذا, download VS for VS Code. Okay, I did like it. Now we have another option. We go to smart one. The smartest is this. For coding, the nearest one is Claude Sonnet. Okay, I will tell him make it better, more modern, respect my platform, colors. He did respect already. Colors, please add good BG, gradient. Let us say gradient, good gradient BG. And whatever you really like to. And if you have more data, you can tell him. For this, it's let us say it's a tutorial, just showing what it can do for daily things. If you have anything that you want me to show, please ask me in the comment, and I will do it for next videos. Okay. For now, it's showing what is the content of the HTML, and then what it will do. It will show the HTML full, as Claude Sonnet 4.5 is the smartest in the world, smartest model in the world for coding. And what it can do, it can link a lot of models, let us say backend database. So as you can see now he's explaining what he did. Okay, so as you can see now, the quality do. And yeah, there is a lot of difference between the first quality and this one. Okay, but as you can see, there is big difference in the price as well, but everything deserves that. Okay, nice. It will click and go. Okay, if you have this problem, you can see the code. You can absolutely copy the code. Now I want to see the code and then render again. It will show again. تمام. So this video for doing daily things, how to do. So another thing that you can take benefit from, so you can start, for example, a chat like this, let us say, and then you go, if you want to generate picture or photo. Okay, please create ads photo for my website. Why I'm saying my website, it's referring for something old in the chat, and this is one of the things that are important in the AI. So for now, if I want to generate a picture, I will go to the picture generator. If I want to do a search, for example, I can download it here, start coding smarter free. I did like it. I will do this. So he understood what is the idea of the AI or my product. So he did create really ads that is related for it. تمام. If I want to do a search, I will go for here. Absolutely, this will be integrated in all of them. But for now, it's you choose to search. Tell me about my competitors. For the search, I remember it's expensive according to what existing, but it's fast according to what expecting it's doing. Okay, so now it's doing Opa. There is GitHub Copilot, true, cursor, true, bold, when replete, bin, blah, 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 blah. So now it did a search. Okay, so then I will talk to another one. Let us say GPT-5, and I'm saying to him, okay, please show me my PowerPoints, not PowerPoints, my advantages according to my competitors. competitors. Okay, in a table, any table. I don't know how he will do that, but he's there. He should do something readable. So it will give advantages according to what he did see from the pictures, and people, not people, what the other AI did generate from the pictures. For me, the pictures are just sent in here. He don't remember them. He don't remember the pictures. He don't see the pictures again to make less tokens removed from your balance. So this one, he can see what the other AIs do conclude from that pictures. He's thinking a lot. I think it was a hard question. He should start now. Okay. So he's doing advantages of me or for Brimind, blah, 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 blah. Okay. What is the good thing in here? Day 1, free access. Here. True. Generous credit. Okay. A GitHub trial then paid. Cursor limited free. Well, that's true. Codium free interval tire. I think there is more. Okay. Web plus EDA flow. Browse different browser. Okay, you can read this when you want from the screenshot. Okay, so he did a lot of them according to what I need. So I would go to the other generator again. I can go to that generator. Okay, so I tell him, so create new ads photo based on that. And in here you choose yourself what is the thing that next you want. So for example, you say I want to generate, go to the generator photo. You want to search, go to the search. I know it's really exhausting now, but it will be integrated automatically in the platform inside in the backend. Okay, so 1 day free, blah 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 blah. There is not a lot of ideas inside it, but it's okay. For this video, I think I did tell a lot of things about what you can do in Brimind. So please tell me if you did not something that I didn't mention. Please mention it in the comment. If you have something that I didn't answer, please ask it in the comment. Please, anything that can help, or you can try it and give us feedback. This is so important because first people are the most important step. I need feedbacks because I'm testing myself the platform each day, and absolutely you will not see the platform like it's recorded now because we have a daily maintenance and daily improvements for these first months. So I thank you for watching the video till the end, and please I'm available for any contact, and please do comments. It will help a lot. I don't know, you may say what will help this word, but it will really help me a lot. Even motivation, it starts from your words. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.